Secure Shell Protocol allows to use a remote computer system over an encrypted network connection. It requires a client application to be able to use the service. A standard GNU/Linux operating system comes with the OpenSSH package containing the necessary tools. To invoke the client program in a system terminal, we simply type SSH space followed by the username and the remote computer network address, either in form of its IP or the domain name. In this example, we are connecting to the ICM computer facility at hpc.icm.edu.pl. There are a few user authentication mechanisms available. The most basic one is the user password, which we will need to provide once the connection is established. For security reasons, the password will not be displayed on the screen as we type it in. Some systems might require an additional step of authentication called OTP or one-time password. It is also possible to use private key authentication, which will be covered in a separate video. Upon successful login, the system allows us in, starting up a shell that operates on the remote machine. This is typically indicated by a welcome message and a change in the hostname at the shell prompt. To close the session, we can type exit, log out, or simply use the Ctrl-D key binding, which will have the same effect. Once the session is closed, the terminal takes us back to the local system. Within a Microsoft Windows environment, an SSH session can be opened with a PuTTY application, among other methods. As before, we will need to specify the server address and choose the SSH service, leaving its default port number set to 22 in most cases. Clicking Open will bring up a terminal window. From there, the session will operate in the exact same manner as we have seen in case of the GNU/Linux system.